y'all, it is Damon here from DecoExchange, and we're gonna make a little lemon wreath. So y'all, on this one, we are gonna start with a bow, relatively simple bow, 8-inch tail. Hey. Y'all, I haven't tried this design yet, but why not? So we're going about a 6-inch loop. All right, I think this will be the last set of loops on here. So y'all, these are just 2 tails and a single loop on each side. The loops are about 6 inches. All right, so just a simple funky bow. I'm always looking for the one section of grapevine that isn't looking too cute. You can see quite easily it's this spot right here. So that's where I'm gonna add my bow. Make sure all my lemons are tight. All right, let's get our pick kind of fluffed out a little bit. All right, so we've got it nice and fluffed out. Gonna trim this down. Why are these locked? All right, now look, we don't want this looking like if I just put this stem in here, it's gonna be looking all awkward, right? So let's take our stem and give it a curve. That way it kind of bends with the flow of our grapevine. Let's glue that one in. Let's get our other lemon fluffed out. Trim that down. Same thing, right? So we don't want our stem just shooting out to the side, right? So let's give it a little curve. Now, this is where you have the opportunity to make your grapevine whatever shape you want it, right? So let's say our grapevine wasn't perfectly circled and this side was flat. We could make this be the right curve and edge it back out. Y'all, I'm gonna trim this bow up. So the boxwood, I'm just going to layer in where we need. So y'all, on this one, all I'm doing is coming in between the different lemon pieces and adding in the boxwood. All right, last piece here. All right. See how the boxwood makes it a little bit fuller? Y'all, and on this one, there's no specific place to add this greenery. I'm literally just using it to fill in any gaps between the lemon leaves and the grapevine. All right. Y'all, just quick and simple. that's all I got for tonight. 2 easy lemon wreaths that I can get listed on Etsy for sale. Hope you guys have a good night, and maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.